Right guys, Cardiac Cardio here guys with you guys, and this is the testing video guys of this massive guys, this one HIPPO XL 122 guys. Yes guys, HIPPO XL 122. Yes guys, this is a dual 2 ohms. Yes guys, and this time this is a flexing video for you guys. So without further ado, let's see if I can make this thing flex. I didn't test it as yet, you know. I don't have no time guys. I want to make this video so there's just so long, but never get to. I start from here. Start from 51 hertz. Wow, this was a lot of breaking guys. Jeez. So this is why the 1 ohm guys. So you are 2 ohm subwoofer and it wide down to 1 ohm. And that's 51 hertz right here guys. 51 hertz on this thing right here. Yeah. Yeah, 51 hertz. Alright. You guys can see? Okay, let me go down to 5. 45 hertz. 45 hertz right there. This thing is ready to jump off this stool. Oh yes guys, that's 45 hertz right here. And this so yep. Alright, let's see what 30 hertz sound like. So that's my favorite. 30 hertz, 28 sometime. Let's see. Oh, a bunch of hats coming up. Come on. That's it guys, right there. Look at this thing. Jeez! Guys, you can't see what it's doing. This thing is flexing like, yeah, this need a lot of, yeah, this thing is going to need a lot of braking, believe me. It's solid guys, it's too, you know, yeah. This thing, and that's a good thing, you know, that's a really good thing. Because I have to hold the motor now guys, because this thing is going this way. It's going like that. Man, I can't put it on 28 hertz. And I take it down a little because I want to put it to 28. Come on. Alright, that's 28 right there. Yeah. I'm not even going to have to turn it up because that amplifier that I have, guys, I don't think it's going to take this. Yeah, that's 28 hertz on it, guys. To show you guys so you see that I'm not joking. 28 hertz. Sweet. Nothing is going like this guy. Ah, the phone is not doing any justice, guys. Vibrating out of the end. Wow. Oh yeah. Need to turn up a little. The amplifier might not like you guys. So if you hear chips, that the amplifier goes in. But I have to make this thing flex. 28 hertz. Oh yeah, I'm gonna leave it right there for now. These things are pushing a lot of wind. Jeez. Come on. Oh yeah. Ha! As I hold it and the motor is still going to, man. See there guys, that's it right there. Amplifier goes in, goes out. I know it was going to do that. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Tell you guys, it doesn't like it guys. I see we come back to. Alright, yeah, come back to. Comes right back. 29 right there. It's 29 words. I'm not even gonna pressure it too much this time. Yeah. See that guys? Everything's okay, no flapping of the spider, the dust cap or anything like that, yeah. Because yeah. And I double the dust cap. I'm pretty sure I show you guys when I double the dust cap or I double it. Yeah. So you don't have to worry put a second dust cap like it come originally with a second dust cap, yeah, that cover the voice coil here, but this yeah. This is a good way of doing it, you know. Yeah, that thing is hard guys, yeah. Choose that dust cap, guys. See if I can play some music with this thing. Hold on. Whew. And that thing goes whew. Wow, look at that guys. 29 hertz, this thing is dancing guys. Look at that thing, is whining. Oh, and there it goes out. Ay, 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 ay. Yes guys. Amplifier is not liking those. Ah man guys, you know I have an amplifier to put up here, but you know when you put something at a spot and it's, you know, it's a nice amplifier guys. It's a crunch. It's a 2400 watt to crunch guys. I know it doesn't do that, but you know, I know I'm getting at least 15 out of it, but yeah. I have a harder pipe I want to put up here guys, yes. I have a 1500. I know that will do good than that crunch up there. But yes guys, so that's it guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see guys, and you know, a lot more video to come guys, a lot more stuff like this guys. And as you can see, turn out guys, you see that? See it? Look, see the carbon fiber cone guys, yeah. Yes guys, this thing turned out to be really, really good. Turned out to be beautiful. You know? So guys, please like, subscribe if you like what you see guys, and Cardi guys out for now. Enough respect.